A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. My dear friends, living this world is a journey. The world refers to the long road that we are going to travel. And it depends upon us on how are we going to perform our roles in this wide world. Some travelers are able to finish the line, but some had stopped along the way. In traveling our own journey of life, sometimes we need to slow down. And this is a time for us to adjust the attitude of the people around in order to gain peace and love among us. There is a time to walk fast in order to cope with the things that we've missed in our life, and even to run fast because we need to acquire all the necessary things that we need in achieving our ambition in life. A time to reach our hands at the roadside, to extend our helping hand to the people who need help. A time to turn our head from left to the right just to see the beautiful flowers beside us. I'm talking about the happiness that we need dahil hindi pwedeng maging seryoso lamang tayo sa lahat ng panahon. But, my dear friends, life is not perfect because there are times that we want to pick up stones to throw our enemies. Ito'y mangyayari kung hindi na talaga natin makakayanan ang mga di kanais-nais na ginagawa ng ibang tao sa atin. And there are also times that we want to bump other travelers to put them down. Nais nating sirain ang buhay ng iba nang walang dahilan na nagpapakita sa ating pagkamakasalanan as human as we are. Mayroon ding panahon na tayo ay naglaho sa matuwid na landas ng ating paglalakbay. And this is a time that we have gone astray. Tayo nagpapadala sa mga makamundong kaligayahan at nalulong sa mga masamang bisyo na mundong ito. Pero bakit nga ba ito mangyayari? It is because we are weak. But what will make us strong? It's only God who can make us strong. My dear friends, as we continue in traveling in this journey of our life, let us take God seriously. Let us always remember that we have a soul that makes us different from other kind of animals. And this journey is not a contest about the richest man or the most beautiful woman in the world, but this is a game in which the prize is no other than the eternal life in heaven. Kaya ngayon, kung sa inyong tingin ay may marami kayong bagay na dapat baguhin sa sarili, ay gawin mo na ngayon. Dahil kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa? At kung hindi ikaw ang gagawa ng pagbabago ito, sino nga ba? Lagi mong isipin na at the right time, we are to be judged. And that is based on the things that we have done in this world. Kaya sundin mo ang utos ng Diyos at sa bawat hakbang na iyong gagawin ay isipin mo muna kung ito ba ay tama o hindi. At kung marating mo na ang tuktok ng pinakahuling bundok ng iyong paglalakbay, ay doon mo madama ang malamig na simon ng hangin, and you will be proud of saying, "Oh, what a journey it has been! Such fruitful and meaningful journey of my life." My dear friends, thank you so much for listening. Maraming salamat po, and God bless us all.